Oh my gosh, I've been getting so many packages recently. Here's another unboxing video. I swear I'm just going to turn into unbox therapy one of these days. Anyways, package number one. I should get my knife out. Alright, let's unbag it, box it, bop it. That's a birthday present to myself. I'm gonna go install it after I do this video, but that's not why you're here. This is the reason why you are here. So maybe if you remember a couple videos back where I got some random stuff on eBay, the reason that I went and bought some of that stuff is, well, A, just to have it, because why not? And B, it's because Noah and I didn't really win all that much that night. Well, anyways, a couple days after that video went up, Katrina messaged me. I've mentioned her in previous videos, and she has a ton of followers on Flickr, and you might have seen her YouTube channel. I'll link everything down below. Well, anyways, that message basically said, I have some stuff that I'm not going to use and don't need. Do you want it? And I said, yeah, I do. Now, I have a couple reasons as to why she would send me these. It was just kind of a spontaneous message that I wasn't really expecting. Theory number one. She is the one who outbid us on all of that stuff on eBay, and she felt bad, so she ended up sending me everything that she won. Maybe, but probably not. Theory number two. I have a birthday in 3 days, and she just happened to send me a birthday present. Probably not that one either. Theory number three. She wanted to put some decent content on this channel and sent me these things to unbox so that I could have some good quality content. I definitely hope it's not that one. And the last theory is that she's just super freaking nice and saw that video and had some stuff laying around. It's definitely that one for sure. Like, no joke, guys, she is the nicest person you will ever meet, and a lot of people can agree with me on that. So she originally messaged me asking if I wanted some brochures, but I ended up with 2 packages. This one is definitely brochures, and I have no idea what the heck is in here. But I didn't really take a look at any of them. She just really asked if I wanted them, and I said, yeah. So, I don't know what's in either of these, so we're gonna find out together. Also, I'm gonna take pictures of the brochures and anything that's in here that you might want to take a more in-depth look at, and I'll post them on my Flickr. Link is down below as well. Anyways, let's check this bag out. See what brochures are in here. Okay, this one is like a pound at least. Like, this has got a little bit of weight to it, so. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is legit. Okay. So, first off, I'm gonna guess this is a Bluebird t-shirt. Oh, it is. Okay. Whoa. This is just. Oh, I really like this shirt. Like, I might legit just wear this around. Like, this is a really nice shirt, too. Oh, this is the front of the shirt. Oh, I thought that was the... whatever. This is legit. I was actually going to buy this off of the Bluebird website because Noah and I were talking about how much we love this design. And this is legit. Thank you. I was not expecting that at all. Okay, now we'll just kind of... Okay, first thing. We've got a All-American RE brochure and a little dealio thing from 2005. So A3RE, nice. Little sticker here for GM, diesel power. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on my truck. I'm just kidding, my truck definitely does not deserve that. Oh, AAA sticker, drive carefully, school's open. Ooh. Okay, here we got another little Bluebird brochure. This is a Vision, as you can see, and this is also from 2005. Okay, we have 3 stickers. Bluebird, number 1 for good reason. That doesn't really make much sense. Number 1 for good reason. That grammar, though. Okay, let's see. Woo! SBCV. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna assume that... Oh, this is 2003. So this is actually a really nice one. So you don't see many of these anymore, but I've always really liked that bus, so that's cool to have. Oh, here we go with the big Vision brochure. Look at all that. Well, that failed. Alright, so as you can see, and like I said, I'll post more pictures on Flickr so that you can actually see them and not just me trying to maneuver the thing around. Oh, check this out. It's got a little folder in here too. Like I could use this for my classes. Okay, oh, here we go. ICRE brochure. Nice. This is also another old one. This is from 2002. So, cool, cool. Here we got another 2002 ICFE brochure. So, nice, nice. Also, I really liked this picture for as long as I've seen it. So, yet again, another cool brochure to have. Uh-oh. Here we go. Nishan Noah, 2002. Enough said right there. Okay, the last thing in here, I don't know what this is. Yes! Oh, this is perfect. I don't know what I thought it was, but like, oh my gosh, I'll legit use this. Like, oh my god, look at that. It's so... Look! Oh my gosh, this is awesome. It obviously came from a dealer, so... This is legit. Oh my gosh, like... I love the logo on there too. That's an old logo. I love that. Wow. Okay, bag number 1 is empty. That really exceeded my expectations. Thank you for all of this, Katrina. This is like... Okay, now I have really high hopes for bag number 2. So let's see what you put in there. Again, I have no idea what's in here. There's just a bunch of small stuff, but let's just... Okay. Oh, this is from Midwest Transit too. It's a little stress thing. So, Midwest Transit is a pretty big dealership. That will go right over here on my desk for every time I get pissed off. Okay. I don't even know what to say. Okay, here we go. That looks nice. I really like that. That's a really nice design. Like, this is... Oh, where did I put the other hat? It's much better than this one. This one is... I legit don't even know what to say about this hat. This hat is, like, amazing. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, we got some pens. Oh, okay, I like pens. Okay, so both of these are from McAllister Transportation. I legit use pens all the time, and I'm always happy to have some bus pens. They'll go right next to the IC ones that Noah got me. Oh, there's another pen in here. Alright, purple. I like that one. I just wrote a little something just to test it out, and these things are actually pretty smooth, so I like these. Okay, there's only a few things left. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. A fidget spinner. Just what I thought I would never get. This is the last thing. Last thing I thought would be in here. Okay, now this isn't just any fidget spinner. This is a Cummins branded one. So, look at me in my new hat with my fidget spinner. Yeah. Oh. I'm gonna have to get my brother to teach me some tricks on this or something. This one's pretty great too. Okay, there's a few more things. Okay. Got a carabiner. I've actually been looking for another one of these, so I'm probably legit gonna use this like today. Alright, and last but not least, let's see what this is. Oh. Oh. Okay, here we go. This is it's a Bluebird shopping bag. Can't go wrong with this. Look at the design on that. That's like, look at all the stuff they put on there. This is a really nice shopping bag. As you can see, celebrating 90 years with lots of different buses. I think I know where I'm gonna use this too. Like, this is all like useful stuff. This is all legit. Okay, now hold on. I think we just need to do one more thing to make this video complete. Alright, let's put in some cheesy transition right here. Okay, like, no joke, this is a really freaking comfortable shirt. Like, and it doesn't look too bad. I mean, I like shirts with simple designs. We just got a Bluebird logo right here and a vision on the back. Okay, but seriously, Katrina, thank you so much. You went out of your way to do this, and I really do appreciate you doing this for me. I can assure you that all of it's going to good use, and it's not going to be, like, just thrown in a corner or anything. But like I said, Katrina, thank you so much. I really do appreciate this, and I hope to see you again soon. Speaking of seeing people, there's another meetup coming up here in a few weeks, actually. I'll put up the flyer on screen. I don't remember all the details off the top of my mind, but there is an open house on August 19th at the Pacific Bus Museum in Fremont, California. So I don't think I'm going to be going myself because, you know, I got plans and whatnot. But for those of you who are considering going, I really do highly recommend it. It's a cool little museum. I'm sure that there are going to be a lot of people there. And if it's anything like the one that I went to back in March, you're just going to have an awesome time there. It's going to be great. So if you're over in that area, I really do recommend it. At least consider it. Alright, so like I said, I'll link Katrina's stuff down below, and like I said at the beginning of this video, I'll also take pictures of most of this stuff, and I will post it on my Flickr. Link is also down below. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe right down here. It's a magical red button that says you are now subscribed to Safety Liner C2. Make sure you comment up here, down here, over here, or over here. I don't know where they put it, down in care where they put it. Make sure you also give this video a thumbs up, or this hat is going to magically disappear, and I'm not going to be very happy. And make sure you also share this video with a friend. Show it to your mom, show it to your dad, show it to a guy on a random street. I don't care. Don't get raped. So yeah guys, that is pretty much it. And thanks for watching.